the two things you need for equation of a tangent line are the point and the slope. Okay. Do we have either the point or the slope right now? Do we have, what do we have? What's the only thing we know? We know that x equals 4. So I have half the point, right? I've got the x value. Okay. Let's work on the point. So what do I need to do to find the y value of the point? Plug it in, right? Okay, so I'm going to take that 4 and I'm going to plug it into this function right here. So I'm going to keep finding the point by finding f of 4. So that gives me 2 times 4 squared minus 3 times 4 plus 1. And it's okay if you need a little calculator. That's fine. Okay. All right, what's 2 squared? I'm sorry, what's 4 squared? 16 times 2 is what? 32. Okay, negative 3 times 4. Negative 12. And I don't think I need a calculator for this one. I think I can do this one in my head. What's 32 minus 12? 20 plus 1? 21. So my point is 421. Okay, and it's not a big deal that 21 seems like a big number to us. Okay. All right. We got to find the slope. How do we find the slope in calculus? Derivative, right? That's all we learned first semester was find that you need the slope, you take the derivative. All right, so hopefully this hasn't been messed up in your brain after last week, okay? After last Friday, right? Okay, so for the derivative, where's this 2 got to go? In the front. So I multiply it by the 2. So 2 times 2 is what? 4. And then what am I supposed to do to this exponent? I'm supposed to subtract 1 from it, right? So what is 2 minus 1? 1. So I'm just going to write x. Okay, I can write x to the first if I really want to. All right, what's the derivative of negative 3x? Good. And what's the derivative of 1? 1. So everybody should be able to take that derivative. Okay? It should not be a big deal. And that's all I'm going to do. I'm not going to make it a hard one to take the algebra of. I just want to know, can you take a simple derivative and can you find the equation of a tangent line with it? Okay? All right, I still have to find a number. How do I find the number? I got to plug in the 4 again. So f prime of 4 equals 4 times 4 minus 3. What's 4 times 4? 16 minus 3 is 13. So I know my point is 421. My slope is 13. I have to go into this equation. You have to have this equation memorized. You should have it from previous years, though I'm not sure every Algebra 1 teacher teaches it this way. Okay. So point slope form of the equation. So what is y1? 21. What is the slope? 13. X minus what's x1? 4. You don't need to do anything else with it. You leave it like that. Okay? We don't need it to be y equals. If we really need that, we can always manipulate it, but we don't need it. Okay? So that's where I want you to stop. Okay? So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to move it to the next equation. I'll put that back up there, though, so you can use it as a model. Okay? So I want you to try this again on your own. Okay. Oh, not that button. What is going on? Push that back. All right. There you go. Everybody try that one. All right. I'm going to give you that up there.